You be careful crossing the street.
I got a job with the mob making G's, doing some pickups, deliveries, transport keys. Yeah, they got me like a flunky, money. I'm driving around town with 10 kilos inside my trunk, G. And I'm holding a suitcase with $500,000 on my lap in front of my face. And I'm trying to ignore it, but sometimes I get tempted to go deaf and make a run for it. The thought alone makes me shiver. Damn, what if I get caught and found me floating in a Hudson River? But if I escape, I'd be ashamed from my life. But they might get my kid and my wife. See, I'm supposed to make a stop to a knockdown spot, run up the block and make another drop. But I got something else in mind. So at the next stop sign, I pull out and load up the 9. I got the money in the hit. Went through the block non-stop, cause I ain't dropping off a rock of it. But then I thought of a plan. So I drove to my house to get my girl and my little...
Hey man. Hurry up and get up the car, man. I know that's you, PWL, man. That you, PWL? Yeah, that's PWL.
Yo, you think I ain't see y'all creeping up on me?
Man, you don't understand.
We can't stop on the highway, man. But I see what they be talking about, like you catching me on a scraggly day, you know what I mean?
I don't know, you don't look too scraggly to me.
Yeah, well, me and my bodyguard just went shopping. You know, gotta get something diamondy, so, you know, and a couple of little things. But yeah, we saw y'all creeping up.
Yeah, man,
you know?
I see you looking ready, but you riding this style, play. You riding this style. I mean, you know, how much did they pay you? Cause you're looking good, bro. You're looking good.
Hey, it all comes with the job, brother. It all comes with the job. You know what I mean?
I hear you.
But yo, I gotta go because I gotta get all straightened up. But yo, good looking out. And next time y'all be following me, you gotta speed it up. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
we be floating, baby.
I know you got some heck of a driver.
Yeah. Courtesy of my bodyguard and cousin, Big Raj.